It's Sunday, just woke up and I realized something, and I really wanted to thank God for everything that He gave me. Ganon. Kasi I prayed for this for months. Ganon. Sabi ko, Lord, if that employment will not, will not pursue, sabi ko ganyan. Dalhin mo ako sa isang pagkakataon, sa isang lugar kung saan na magiging masaya ako kahit na wala ako masyadong effort na gagawin. And then, that everything will seem to be perfect, ganyan. Sabi ko, pagdating ko sa company, syempre, dwelling between my health, my worries that time, kasi nga, I've been going through something like GAD with panic attack. GAD means General Anxiety Disorder. Parang PTSD. Parang ganun. Pero it's not simple as that. Kasi it associated as well yung panic attack, yung fear of death. Tapos, at the same time, syempre, sabi ko, I realized na, na ang dami ko palang masyadong worries that time. Tapos, spiking my BP, ganyan. Tapos, minsan namamanas yung binti ko. Every time naman na nagpupunta ako sa doctor, wala naman din akong, wala naman din masyadong mataas na findings or anything. It's just a hypertension. Pero syempre, we all know naman that hypertension really is medyo tridor siya, diba? Pero ako, I'm still hoping and praying that itong mga gamot na iniinom ko, tas na-bless pa ako like for 3 months. I never bought anything kasi nga yung institution or medical institution where I was a member provided me 3 months supply of all those medicines and all those maintenance na kailangan ko. Tapos itong mga nakaraan naman, sabi ko okay naman ako. Sabi ko, I'm hoping na maging continuously na wala akong masyadong mga episodes in terms of my medical ganon, or mga pag-spike ng BP and all. Doon nararamdaman ko naman, sabi ko, I know it already na yung puyat talaga yung one of the reasons why nagsaspike yung BP ko and excessive worries. Pero I learned from the past na sabi ko, I really need to let it go, to release all the stress and the trauma. Sabi ko ganon. Kasi this is uncontrollable. Whatever na mga mangyayari sa buhay mo or kung ano man, diba? This is non-negotiable. Pero the attitude itself, yung kung how you will react to it is negotiable. Sabi ko na lang, before I was worried about my relationship, if he's cheating or what not or what, sabi kong ganun. Sabi ko, well, it's not me na magdadala nito forever. Sabi kong ganyan. If he keeps on saying that wala naman siyang ginagawang masama or anything, then I need to trust the person. If not trusting the person, then stop thinking about something or stop thinking about him. Ganon. Tapos, I also stop worrying about the future masyado. Sabi kong ganyan. Kasi nga, I need to move forward. Kasi kung hindi ako kikilos, paano na lang? Sino magtatrabaho? Sino mag-aasikaso sa bahay? Wala. Kawawa naman yung anak ko. Kawawa naman yung nanay ko. And I don't want them to worry about me. I want them to suffer, 'di ba? Kung ano man yung mga burden ko, ganyan. Tapos ayun, pinagpray ko kay Lord na, Lord, please give me something. I'm going to remove all the things, the negative things in me. Sabi kong ganyan. Started by resigning to the job where I dreamt about. I dreamt of, parang ganun. Ano siya maganda kasi siya actually yung benefits before. But the thing is, I don't have really a peace of mind. Like, wala akong peace of mind. Wala talaga. Every weekends, I used to cry and ganyan. Tapos, yung ibang mga tao na nandoon, it's really, parang selective lang yung mga tao. Tapos, very limited lang talaga yung makakapag-express ng sa'yo, ng support, Tapos, nung eto na, nagulat ako na, kasi nga, sabi ko, pumayat talaga ako nung time na yun. God gave me parang weeks, ganun lang, to rest. And then, I applied for a job. Sabi ko pa naman, downgraded na ako nito. Pero, hopefully sabi ko, ngayon, sabi ko, I'm loving the energy, I'm loving the vibe that I got from my workmates, sa mga selected friends ko. Tapos, na-express ko kung ano ako, kung sino ako around them. Tapos, yung financially, the offer is good. Sabi kong ganyan. Tapos, manageable naman kahit na medyo nagsastruggle ako traveling to work and then traveling back home. Yung mga first few weeks ko, it's really in favor of me, ganyan. Tapos yung ngayon, parang it's the same schedule as before na morning shift, ganyan. Though I know that some of my colleagues are struggling with the same schedule kasi they are not used to morning shift and going back home na tanghaling tapat, ganyan. Pero all in all, I love them, I like them. Parang it's too early for me to thank you, oh Lord, ganyan. Pero syempre, it's really a blessing for me. Tapos sabi ko, hopefully that yung kasi may time na pag management na, in terms of management or anything that will affect that I think it will affect or impact my my well-being, mabilis talaga ako umaalis, diba? I don't really want to compromise myself anymore to anything or to anyone, ganun. Tapos hopefully maging maayos naman. I learned to just making dedma para sa relationship, ganyan. And then I also learned that accepting things na eto na ngayon and not to just overthink. You just have to be prepared for everything, ganyan. Syempre, yung mga takot, yung mga anxiety attacks, yung mga panic attacks is still there, pero it's very minimal and it's very manageable naman for me. Sabi ko lang, I know God is always watching over me, my family, especially my daughter, ganyan. Everything, sabi kong ganyan. Today, I am focusing on my daughter's well-being muna, at saka yung mga welfares niya, ganyan. Sabi ko, isa-isa lang kasi cannot really handle everything in my plate. Sabi ko gano'n. Most especially kapag nasa sitwasyon ako na alanganin that I really need to make a decision, nahihirapan talaga ako kasi wala naman ako na, someone who can guide me talaga. 'Di ba? Everything depends on me pa rin. Kahit sabihin mo may tanungin ka, may ganitoin ka, ganyan. Wala eh. Everything depends on you and God. Diba? If He will allow it to happen. Or kung ano man. God is